name is Oliver Oriole, and I would like to introduce you to all of my friends. From the ABC Islands, Flora Flamingo. From Anguilla, Daisy Dove. From Antigua and Barbuda, Dennis Deer. From Venezuela, Omara Ocelot. From Martinique, Henri Hummingbird. From Costa Rica, Santiago Sloth. From Puerto Rico, Franco Frog. From Guadeloupe, Remy Rooster. From Dominican Republic, Paula Palmchat. From Bermuda, Perry Petrel. From Trinidad and Tobago, Ivan Ibis. Scarlet. From Saba Anna, Anole. From the Bahamas, Petey Pig. From Jamaica, Hugo Hummingbird. From Turks and Caicos Islands, Lena Lizard. From the Virgin Islands, Benji Bat. From Guyana, Josie Jaguar. From Belize, Timmy Taper. From St. Martin, Pelly Pelican. From St. Eustatia, Kenny Kestrel. From Colombia, Bella Bear. From Cayman Islands, Iggy Iguana. From Panama, Sergio Squirrel. From St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Timothy Turtle. From St. Lucia, Lulu Parrot. From St. Kitts and Nevis, Mario Monkey. From Rotan, Wilbur Woodpecker. From French Guiana, Camille Crocodile. From Nicaragua, Cheb Cougar. From Suriname, Carter Kiskadee. From Haiti, Soleil Snail. From Grenada, Andy Armadillo. From Dominica, Pepe Parrot. From Barbados, Harry Hare. From Cuba, Hector Hutia. And from Montserrat, I am Oliver Oriole. Now you have met all of my friends. I want to be your friend. So where are you from, friend?